Hey, what's up guys? So we are less than a week from Samsung Unpacked event where they are gonna launch the S22 series and the Tab S8 series. We have got a lot of trailer from Samsung teasing the S Pen integration in the S22 Ultra and the low light camera improvements. So in this video we are going to be talking about everything we know about the S22 Ultra and what you can expect for the next flagship device from Samsung. So the Galaxy S22 Ultra is going to be the successor to both the Note 20 Ultra and the S21 Ultra, and that's happening because Samsung's got rid of the Note series to make a room for its next phones. And to preserve the Note experience, they are merging the S and Note series together into one device, the S22 Ultra. It's going to have the S Pen support with an integrated S Pen just like the Note 20 Ultra. We have seen teaser from Samsung confirming the boxier design and the S Pen integration. It's gonna have a curved 6.8-inch of Super AMOLED display with a 2K resolution and 120Hz refresh rates. It's gonna be using the second generation LTPO technology, so the refresh rate can go as low as 1 Hz when necessary, which should help to improve the battery performance. And speaking of the battery, it's going to house the 5000 milliamp of a battery capacity, which is the same as the S21 Ultra. But it is impressive because they managed to maintain the huge battery capacity while including the S Pen stylo inside the phone, so we can expect a really good battery performance, just like the S21 Ultra. And that's not all. It's gonna offer the 45 watt of fast charging support, which is about 10 to 15 minutes faster than the Samsung previous 45 watt charging solution. The display in the combination with the S Pen is gonna offer a supernatural writing experience with a 2.8 millisecond delay. The S Pen is going to be coming in black regardless of the color of the device, and the device is going to be protected by new Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and will also have a new armor aluminum frame that is to be set up 10 times stronger than the current aluminum used by Samsung. So it's gonna be the toughest Galaxy phone yet. On the back, it's going to be having 4 cameras that are coming with a separate camera sensor, and looking at those cameras, you will probably going to be having similar camera as you have seen in the S21 Ultra, but there are going to be difference in terms of their performance. We are going to see a 108 megapixel HM3, which is a new sensor, and it's also going to be coming with a super clear lens that is going to be help out in order to avoid the reflection that we have seen in the plastic lenses in the previous models. So definitely this is going to bring a massive improvement in terms of the quality of the images and videos as well. Also, it's going to be accompanying with a 12 megapixel of ultra wide sensor, 10 megapixel periscopic zoom, and a 10 megapixel of telephoto lens. And on the front, we have a 40 megapixel selfie camera. The S22 Ultra is going to be available in 3 storage options, starting with an 8GB and 128GB of internal storage, whereas we are going to see 16GB of RAM as well as 1TB of storage option to be available. No micro SD card support is going to be coming in the S22 series, so that is unfortunate. Anyway, moving forward towards the pricing, as far as the leak is concerned, we are going to see the similar pricing as the S21 series, and probably the 8GB and 128GB of internal storage device. The S22 Ultra will cost you around $1199. Anyway guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.